I can't believe you're a daddy. It's so crazy.
Are both of these your sisters?
Sister, niece, mom.
Oh, hi.
I'm so tall it's hard to tell if we're sisters or if I'm her daughter.
Yeah.
So, a lot of people get confused. So cute little.
How you doing, handsome? You're totally freaked out.
He is freaking out.
You.
Okay.
Aww. You know, today's a holiday.
Is it?
It is St. Urho's Day today. Do you remember that from Sunnyside? Do you remember that? The green and purple at, what was it, Mr. Martin?
Yeah.
Would celebrate it.
It's a holiday.
And the ode to St. Urho.
Our mom's like,